Emma, you spend a lot of time counseling clients about EU regulatory requirements. Are there requirements either in the CSRD or the CSDDD that our clients should be aware of when they're thinking about setting goals and targets?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think one thing that we're talking to a lot of clients about at the moment is their CSRD compliance. So that's the EU's Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive. What we find is that most of our US public company clients will be in scope from fiscal year 2025, so with their first disclosures being made during 2026. Under the CSRD, for every sustainability target that you have in place, that will trigger a disclosure obligation. And so that really does change the narrative a little bit when we're talking about targets and goals. It's not anymore just something that you're putting on your website or in your voluntary sustainability statements, but they really will become part of a regulated disclosure. The other thing to bear in mind from the European perspective is that the CSDDD, so that's the Corporate Sustainability Due Diligence Directive, that will start to apply to some of our clients from 2027, actually has an obligation in it to adopt a climate transition plan. So the climate transition plan has to be structured in a way where there's time-bound goals starting from 2030 and every 5 years thereafter. So this will be the first kind of positive obligation that we've seen, at least in European regulation, for companies to adopt climate targets.